Have you ever thought about participating in research studies for some extra cash? Turns out, this could be a legitimate way to earn money while contributing to scientific or market research. Today, we're diving into how to get involved and what to expect. First, it's all about finding the right fit. Look for research studies that align with your interests or demographic. Opportunities are diverse, ranging from medical research, psychological studies, product testing to market research. Next, cast your net wide. Register on reputable online platforms that connect researchers with participants. Websites like Prolific, MTurk, and ResearchMatch are popular platforms for various types of studies. Don't forget your local institutions. Universities and research institutions often conduct studies and may require participants. It's worth reaching out to the psychology or research departments for potential opportunities. If you're comfortable with it, consider exploring clinical trial databases for opportunities to participate in medical research. Websites like clinicaltrials.gov list ongoing trials in various locations. Paid focus groups are another great option, where researchers gather a small group of individuals to discuss and provide feedback on specific topics or products. You could also sign up with market research companies that conduct consumer studies. These studies often involve testing products or providing feedback on advertising. Online surveys conducted by research companies are a quick and easy way to participate. These can be on various topics and are often compensated with cash, gift cards, or other rewards. Local hospitals or medical facilities often have ongoing medical research studies. They may require participants for clinical trials or observational studies. Universities often conduct psychological studies that require participants. Reach out to the psychology department to express your interest. Remember, honesty is paramount. Provide accurate information when signing up for research studies. Researchers rely on honest and precise data for their studies. Before diving in, read the fine print. Make sure you meet the criteria outlined by the researchers and understand what's expected of you. Compensation is a key factor. Be clear about how you will be compensated for your time and participation. Compensation can vary and may include cash, gift cards, or other incentives. Be on guard for potential scams. Legitimate research studies will not ask for upfront fees or sensitive personal information such as your social security number or bank details. If it's up your alley, consider participating in in-person studies. These may involve focus groups, interviews, or hands-on experiments. Follow the instructions provided by researchers carefully. This ensures that your participation is valuable to the study. Stay in the loop about new opportunities by regularly checking the platforms you've registered on and subscribing to newsletters or notifications. If you find joy in participating in research studies, consider networking with researchers for potential repeat opportunities. Lastly, don't shy away from giving feedback. Researchers often appreciate insights that can improve their work. So there you have it. Participating in research studies can be a rewarding way to earn money while contributing to the world of science and market research. Come back for more financial insights and tips, like subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.